Boom shakalaka, if you're one of those people who needs to wait for everything to line up before you consider going balls deep in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, you're going to enjoy this video, because in today's video, we're going to take a look at why right now is literally the best time you could possibly consider investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at Bitcoin, why right now is literally probably the best time in your lifetime. If you think you missed it, you did not miss it, because right now everything is lining up. I have never seen so many charts all screaming that this is an insane buying opportunity. And if you don't agree with me, well, then you should just listen to what Michael Saylor says.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
Now, today's video, we are talking about Bitcoin and where it's going. But before we do, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove, where every day we share some of the best charts in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Smash that like button. Let's get to 1,000 today. Now, right now, we are in fear. And it's crazy. We're in fear when literally everything has never looked better. This is crazy. We were in insane greed when it was scary. But now that we are in fear, I don't think I've ever been so bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Right now, market going sideways today. Bitcoin at 40,425, Ethereum at 30.38, BNB at 4.15, XRP at 78 cents, Solana at $101, Cardano 95 cents, Terra Luna $80, and Avalanche $77. And if you want to do the top coins today to outpace just holding Bitcoin alone, as a matter of fact, right now they're up over 1,000% on Gate.io. The top coins today would be Kratos, OEC token, Maple, Monero, and Singularity DAO. And if you want to check this out for yourself, use artificial intelligence and machine learning. You can even add some low caps for higher risk, but potentially much higher rewards. There is a discounted link down in the description. And while you're down there, check out Celsius, because right now you can get up to $5,000 for adding cryptocurrencies to your Celsius account. Up to $2,000 on all, but up to $5,000 on select cryptocurrencies. Now, today in Bitcoin, we are continuing up this very slow trajectory, but it is very bullish. And this is inside of this much larger bullish pattern that we are going in. So we are in a bullish pattern I would say that's somewhat bullish, but don't take my word for it. Let's look at some charts. Well, if we take a look here, we have seen whales adding to their Bitcoin holdings again over the last few days. Look at this. Whale holdings continuing to increase. As a matter of fact, going up pretty darn steeply right now. And if we take a look at the long-term holder supply, short-term holder supply, rate of change, Z-score, the last 3 times this has left the blue area down here, the last 3 times it just crossed this black line, guess what? We had massive bullish uptrends afterwards. Well, it just crossed that line once again a couple days ago, signaling we might have massive uptrends, because as I mentioned before, whales are accumulating. As a matter of fact, right now, an all-time high of Bitcoin supply hasn't moved in at least a year. Look at this, we're at 63.7% now. The previous all-time high was 63.45%. And we know that each time we have a new all-time high in this percent supply last move 1 year ago, the price has a giant bullish uptrend within a few months. It happened back here. It also happened here as well. As soon as we broke through previous all-time highs, price went through the roof. Happened right here. Broke through previous all-time highs, price went through the roof. Guess what? We just broke it, meaning that price is likely going to go through the roof. If we take a look right now at the Bitcoin realized cap UTXO age bands, every time there is a flippening in this purple, that's a great accumulation zone. However, when there is a big trough, a divot, that's when it's a great time to sell. Well, we just had a nice accumulation zone, sell zone, accumulation, sell. Well, look at this. We have a flippening in the purple right here. Nice accumulation zone before the upcoming sell zone coming up. Yet another chart suggesting that prices are going up. As a matter of fact, with all these whales accumulating Bitcoin, just yesterday, 30,000 Bitcoin were taken off of Coinbase Exchange. Right now, on average, 96,200 Bitcoin per month taken off exchanges. The previous 5 times over 95,000 net Bitcoin were removed from exchanges. Within 30 days, we had a very significant up move happen here. Well, it just happened once again. Yet another chart singing, now is the time to buy. And if we take a look at this time, another chart showing that the last few times this happened, see right before significant uptrend. And continuing, we have this chart from this guy. He says one of the most accurate Bitcoin detectors he's found for the bottom, suggesting that now we have a bottom, which I would agree with. When the 2-week stochastic RSI K-line of the S&P 500 leaves the blue zone, Bitcoin bottom has been reached and a huge bull run has followed. It happened here, right there, it happened right there, it happened right here, it happened right here. All of these suggesting we have bottomed and the trend is going up. Here's another way of looking at that same thing, a little bit different. This is comparing Bitcoin with the S&P's RSI to provide a few more signals, but every time one of these things flagged, guess what? Great buy opportunity, which brings us to this chart right here. I think all the charts we've taken a look at so far today say, hey, this is the bottom. If you've held on this long, amazing job. Guess what? It's probably only going up from here. But this chart right here, only a few other times has Bitcoin reached this zone of heavy opportunity in green, like you can see here. Only a few other times, and these would have been great buy opportunities like the COVID bottom, or back there, the bottom in 2018, or back the bottom in 2015. But this is the longest time Bitcoin has ever spent in this zone. This means it's getting prepared for blast off. So while we may not know when the price is going to go up, we are in one of the best buy opportunities of a lifetime for Bitcoin and legitimate cryptocurrencies. And if you're around for the ride, if you're invested now, you're probably going to do very, very good. So that's all for today's video. Make sure to like it. It helps out so gosh darn much. Come join us over on Twitter. Also, check out Token Metrics and Celsius for yourself. Links down in the description. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.